So now we'll begin the proposed censure hearing. In accordance with Arcadia Municipal Code Section 2123.4, all persons who will offer any evidence tonight must take an oath. City Clerk Linda, pursuant to City Charter Section 501E, please administer the oath to all witnesses. So any witnesses that would like to come forth?
Point of order, the hearing on the censure motion was actually last week. Tonight is not a night when we're entertaining evidence or argument. We're only discussing the adoption of the actual resolution. Am I mistaken?
No, you're correct. This is not an evidentiary hearing.
This is, I need to have an opportunity for the proposed censure hearing that I need to have witnesses. So can the witnesses come forward and take an oath from Linda?
Mayor, this is not what's on the agenda.
I mean, it is very important that I hear from my witnesses to take a testimony and I have to understand, you know, all the evidence that's provided. So please come forward for the witness to take an oath.
The agenda.
No, it is on the agenda. It is on the agenda because it is a solution considering to censure me. So I think it's very important that we have the witness come forward to swear in, to take an oath, you know, so that I can understand the evidence that's provided. So please, Linda, can you please have the witness come to the stage and take an oath?
That resolution was voted on and passed last week. Today, we're only working on adopting the actual resolution. Am I incorrect, Mr. City Attorney?
This is not an evidentiary
It is incorrect because the Arcadia Municipal Code, Section 2123, I must offer, you know, all the people, the witnesses, to come with evidence to take an oath. This is what the city charter sections 413 allow me to do. So right now, I would like to have my attorney to represent me tonight, including cross-examination of witnesses. So any witnesses that want to speak, come forward, please, to take an oath with our clerk, Linda.
Mayor, just point of order. Municipal Code 2123 says, the seating arrangement of all persons at the council table shall be under the direction of the presiding officer. I'm not necessarily sure how 2123 applies to the Arcadia Municipal Code. We've also had a point of order that the discussion or testimony was already done next Tuesday. This is not to reconsider the testimony from last week. Today is about the mechanics of how the censure is going to be done.
Well, for the record, Arcadia Municipal Code Section 2126.5 allows me to be represented by counsel. I'm going to give the stage to you and the microphone to you. Corey, go ahead and take it from here to do your cross-examination of witnesses.
Point of order, Mr. City Attorney, I believe there is no provision for the person who is being subject to the censure to have counsel address this body. Am I mistaken?
That's correct. We've already held the public comment period.
No, you.
Go ahead. You can speak on my behalf, please.
Thank you, Madam Mayor.
Point of order, public comment has been closed already.
No,
Please allow my attorney, Corey, to finish his statement, please.
As I mentioned, matters of order are subject to an appeal to the council. We've already taken public comment. Public comment period's closed. The presiding officer can reopen public comment if she would like. That's subject to appeal of the council if you would like to overrule that decision.
This is not public comments. This is based on the Municipal Code Section 2123. All persons who would provide evidence must take an oath. And also the Section 2126 allows me to be represented by counsel. So please, can you please take the stage and have the microphone and do cross-examination of the witnesses, please?
So the
And
first
this
thing
is-
that we, no,
Sir, this is, okay, is there an appeal from counsel?
Please,
I don't
Please,
believe the public
please,
comment has been reopened at this time, and without,
please,
there's nothing in the municipal code which provides for an attorney to address this body on behalf of a party, irrespective of whether they are represented. Therefore, I believe that this is out of order. I'm asking the mayor
please, this
to
is
make
not
a
out
ruling.
of order.
asking the mayor to make a
We
ruling on
are
that order.
having the resolution considering to censor the mayor, so we need to make sure we have the witnesses to provide the evidence. And so I would prefer, to make sure that we follow the items on the agenda. Why don't you go ahead?
I am
Please
asking the
allow Attorney Corey to finish his statement, please.
Asking the mayor
Mayor,
to make
this-
a ruling and establishing that it is her determination that Mr. Briggs can speak.
Please, can I have our chief officer to come and escort Councilmember David Fu so that we can continue this meeting?
So we need some clarification of what's going on here, because this is not an evidentiary hearing, so there's no witnesses to swear in. It doesn't, please stop.
Can you please allow my attorney Corey to finish his statement, please?
We can't be in a situation.
We cannot, this is basically very disruptive. City Attorney, can you please allow Attorney Corey to finish his statement, please?
Mayor, we can't have a single council member and her attorney take over the meeting from the council. That's why there's a provision, that says that any matters of order are decided by the presiding officer, subject to appeal of the council. So there's no situation in which a
So
single council member can
I am
overrule
the
the council.
presiding officer, so please
Correct.
listen to me. I'm trying to finish the meeting here. Please allow my attorney, Corey, to finish his statement. Go ahead and take the microphone, please.
I make a motion that we have these events restored to regular order, that the mayor stand down from attempting to have her attorney address this body without any statutory authority, without any authority under the municipal code, and I seek a second.
I am not taking any motion at this moment. I want to finish the items on the agenda. Go ahead, Attorney Corey, please make your statement, please.
Mayor, this is do we have a motion to overrule this?
Second.
I third that motion.
Okay, so a majority of the council has appealed. We're not reopening public comment. Mr. Briggs is not going to speak on this matter.
This is not a public comment. It's been closed. This is now on item number 10. We're coming up a resolution to censor the mayor. So it's very important that for the record, that I use the Municipal Code Section 2126 to allow me to be represented by counsel. So please, Attorney Corey, go ahead and take the microphone and
Mayor.
finish what you need to do or the statements that you need to make.
We have a vote by 3 council members that we're not taking further testimony, we're not reopening public comment. You cannot overrule 3 council members, period.
That's not a point of order. I'm not taking any motion at this time. Please follow the orders that's on the agenda. We're addressing what is needed to be addressed. So go ahead, please speak.
Madam Mayor, I move that the chair recognize that Mr. Briggs is out of order and causing a disruption of these proceedings, and that he be removed from these chambers. there a
Yes,
second?
please. Under the Municipal Code Section 2126.5, I've repeated myself. I am allowing my attorney, Corey, to represent me as my counsel, and he is here tonight to do cross-examination on witnesses. So please allow him to do so, please.
Mr. City Attorney, I think that a motion has been made with the majority of the council. Mr. City Attorney, can you please go ahead and let the council and the audience know what are the rules and why are you stating those rules?
Yeah, so the rules come
I-
from the municipal code.
Please, I want you to understand, I'm following the agenda, and on the agenda, we are having discussion regarding to censoring the mayor. So it is very important that we allowed giving me the opportunity to be represented by my counsel for him to do cross-examination of witnesses. So please do not disrupt. This is on the agenda item, and we must get it done.
Mayor, this,
Under the Brown Act, every member of the public gets to talk.
sir, public comment is closed. Public comment is closed. Step down from the microphone. Sir, you're creating a disturbance at this point. Step down from the microphone. I understand that. You don't have the floor. Step down from the microphone. The council, a majority of the council has
City
acted to close
Attorney,
public comment.
please allow my counsel to represent me to do cross-examination of witnesses, please.
She is allowed to argue the matter before it's decided.
This matter has already had public comment. We called the public comment period to cover all the agenda items. Sir, I'm not arguing with you. There's been an action by the council. There have been 3 votes that we are not reopening public comment. Nothing's going around the Brown Act. Okay, I'm not arguing. This matter's done with. The matter is done with.
Please.
guys
Let's
wanna call
have
a
this
motion to call a
order.
question?
Please allow my counsel to represent me to speak tonight to do cross-examination of witnesses, please. Thank you. You can continue.
Okay, I'll note if you want to adopt the procedural rules, you can call the question on the procedural rules.
Please finish your statement. Continue,
Madam
please.
Mayor, again, I move that the chair recognize that Mr. Briggs is out of order, that he is disrupting these proceedings, and that he be removed from these chambers. Do I have a second?
I'm not taking any motion at this moment. This is during discussion, and I need to have my counsel to represent me tonight to do cross-examination of witnesses. This is a part of the discussion. Please go ahead and continue.
Mr. City Attorney, I will second that motion.
All right, my recommendation would be to modify it to be a warning.
Why don't we take a recess, and we come back in 5 minutes after this, we take a recess.
Yeah. Let's do that.